Alright guys, I'm finally all done with the steering wheel. Let's go ahead and check it out. Rainy day guys, rainy day. But, gotta get this done. Hey, what's up YouTube, SRT Dad. My steering wheel finally got delivered yesterday guys. Let me go ahead and show you. Check it out guys, it's here. Now I did make a previous video where I had bought one that had its own airbag, but they had canceled on me, and they canceled my order, so I had to order another one. And I went with this one. I like it because it has the Alcantara top and bottom, and has a little 12 o'clock red strap there. But we're gonna go ahead and install this today, guys. So let's go. Let's get this done. All right, guys. So it's been raining all week, so you can see my car. She's pretty dirty. But so anyways, on to the first step, guys. We're gonna have to get up in here. I'm gonna remove these things out my trunk. I'm gonna go into the battery and unplug it. And it has to be unplugged for at least 30 minutes. Otherwise, the airbag will blow up in my face. Let's go ahead and get that done. All right, guys, so there's a battery. So if you do not know, the batteries in these chargers, they're in the trunk, just under the trunk area. You just open it up. We have a little compartment here for spare wheel, which our SRTs don't come with. But we're just gonna disconnect the negative terminal, positive terminal, and just leave it unplugged, unconnected for at least 30 minutes, and then we'll go ahead and get started. All right, guys, so as you can see, I disconnected the negative first and the positive. Now we just wait at least 30 minutes, and we'll get started. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get a workout out the way and then continue. See you guys then. All right, guys, so I just got done working out. It's really late. It's past, well, for me, it's late. It's like 10:30 already. My kids are asleep. You know, even the wife's out. It's New Year's Eve tomorrow. You know, I was gonna wait till next year to do this. The steering wheel got here a lot faster than I thought it was. So I decided to do it today. But here I am, guys. I'm putting in the work. Trying to get this content out, at least one video this week. So let's go ahead and get it done, guys. I'm a little tired, but this workout got me a little pumped. It's been well over 30 minutes, probably been like an hour already. So my battery's been given plenty of time to be unplugged, so I should be safe to remove this airbag now. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, so right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and pull the steering wheel out. That way I could access the two 10mm bolts up back. And I'm just gonna go ahead and with my ratchet, just get them both out. And yeah, I'm gonna get the airbag out once I get those two bolts out. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, guys, so I got the airbag out. So the hardest part was getting this off. So this, basically all you have to do is lift this middle piece here, lift it up with the flathead, and it'll pop off. It took me a little while, but I got it off. And then getting the actual airbag plugs, that was pretty easy. They're color coordinated. You just have to pinch them on both sides, and then you just lift them up. So I did one side, I used my finger, the other side I used the flathead, pulled them both up, and got the airbag out. So very important, guys, keep the airbag on a flat surface away from anything electrical. But yeah, so let's go ahead and start taking that steering wheel out. All right, guys, so the next part is going to be getting this bolt out. I'm going to use this 10mm bolt here to put in here. I'm going to get it out. It's going to be a little tight, but I think I'm strong enough to get it out on my own. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so I'm not gonna bullshit you. I couldn't get that fucking bolt off. It's too damn tight. The little 3/4 inch ratchet I got is too weak. I need to get them big 1/2 inch at least, because this thing's tight, and I'm gonna have to have maybe my wife hold the steering wheel while trying to take it out, because that bolt is stuck in there, guys. It's in there tight. So I'm gonna probably go in the morning to like Ace Hardware, so maybe Lowe's, and get me a big old ratchet, because this thing is tight. So I'm just gonna leave it as is right now and put it on tomorrow. Sucks, but well, I'll see you guys tomorrow then. See ya. All right, guys. So I'm back now. It's New Year's Eve. I'm trying to put the steering wheel on real fast. I bought me some big boy tools, so hopefully this is strong enough to get that freaking bolt out. Let's do it. Alright guys, so I got the wheel on. I had to come over to Brakes Plus. I have a good friend of mine that works here, family friend, and he was able to get this bolt out for me and put it back in. Now I just have to get this wiring figured out when I get home. I'm gonna have to switch these out with my black ones here. Hey, what's up YouTube? Happy New Year's. I ended up not working on the steering wheel last night, but I did get it on. As you saw, I went to go visit a friend at Brakes Plus. He got it. He got the bolt off for me. And I swapped the steering wheel there, and then he put the bolt back on just so it could be tight. So as you can see here, I got some wires, right? Obviously these are for the airbag, which all stays the same. This one's gonna go to this cruise control here. So with the cruise control, guys, as you can see there, right here, I had to keep the original backing here, because on the backing that the new steering wheel came in, it didn't have the spot for the steering wheel. It just has for the 10mm bolts. So as you can see, this one, it's got obviously the 10mm bolt spots down here. Sorry, down here and here. But it has this one has an extra hole for the cruise control. See, there's the 10mm bolt, the bolt, and then here's the cruise control. As is, this one didn't have it. It just had for the 2 bolts. So I had to unscrew these 4 screws here and take this off of this, and then put the one I had on it, and it fit just perfect. Everything lined up right, so we're all good there. So what I have to do now, because this doesn't match up with this, right? And that's these controls here for the radio and all that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pop these off. I just gotta get a little flat head. I can even do it with my hands, I think. I have to get a flat head and pop these out, and then I'm gonna swap them with mines, because mines obviously fit perfectly because that's the original one. So I'm just gonna swap these 2 out, and then I should be good to plug everything and plug that airbag back in. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, guys. So I got them off. All I had to do is just pinch both ends there, and they popped right off. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put mine on. All right, guys. So I got them swapped out. This one on the original wheel was glued on there, so I really had to pry it out. Like I had to use 2 flat heads to pull it out. It was tough, but I got it out. I got it all plugged. Now it's just time to plug the airbag in. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, guys. So on this cruise control screw here, the original one that it came with was one of these, but it was too short, because if you see on my wheel here, it has like it's a little bit extended out to reach this short screw. So what I did, I just went in my toolbox. I found one that had about the same width, but it was longer, and it was able to reach through, and I was able to screw it in nice and tight. So it's good now. So now I got everything plugged in. Cruise control's plugged in. So now it's just airbag time, guys. So let's go ahead and get the airbag and put it on. All right, guys. So for the airbag, we got this top electric cord here, and it's gonna go to this top one here. And as you can see, these 2 spots are color coordinated. So you can see there's yellow, and then there's a black one. A little bit of yellow, a little bit black. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. And I finally put those last two 10mm bolts on, and we're gonna be all done, guys.
Still Texas. Blastoise 820. The winner is Blastoise.
Blastoise is strong.
Time on Death.
All right, guys, I'm finally all done with the steering wheel. Let's go ahead and check it out. There she is, guys. Looks amazing. And you know, like I've said before, I did drive this the car with the steering wheel on, just didn't have the airbag on, obviously, because I had to drive back and unplug the battery to put it on. But it drives amazing, guys. The whole, you know, driving experience is just completely different now. It feels like a newer car, like my 17 RT. You know, the whole driving experience just changed on the steering wheel, and it, you know, I love it. You know, it's got the Alcantara top and bottom there, flat bottom, obviously, red 12 o'clock strap. It's amazing, guys. Well, guys, that's gonna pretty much be all for today. I just want to get this quick install video done. It looks amazing. Let me go ahead and show you from a further view here, or even from the back seat, so you guys can see here how it kind of looks. There you go. I'm pretty sure that's the view you guys want to see there. It just looks amazing, guys. And I'm really happy about it. I'm really loving it. I'll try to put the link in the description, guys. You know, if this is your first video, you know, go ahead and check out my content, guys. I have a lot of videos on a lot of other things I've done on the car. So, you know, don't be shy. Go ahead and check it out. And if you like this video, guys, like, you know, if you have any comment on my steering wheel, go ahead and comment. Let me know if you like it, if you hate it. You know, if you think I should have went a different route, go ahead and put it in the comment section, guys. I'm open to all criticism or love. So, you know, once again, guys, Happy New Year. I'm starting off my new year out with my new steering wheel. It feels like a whole different car, like a new one. But I'll see you guys on the next one, guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers. Once I hit the 1,000 subscribers and I start getting monetized, guys, you know, we're gonna start doing some modifications on the car, some performance mods, guys. So help me get there, and we'll get this car, you know, running faster. All right, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Happy New Year. I'm out.